Hello guys, and as you can see on my screen, here's a screen from mi.com. I have ordered a phone that was supposed to be Interstellar Black. You can see that it's Interstellar Black, Redmi Note 9 Pro Max, and that's the IMEI number, partial IMEI ending with 8091. So here's the box. It got delivered. You can see it got delivered today. That's 22nd of July. Oh no, that's paid on 22nd July, delivered on 25th July today, right? So this is the box you can see, and it's very clearly written that it's Interstellar Black. I'm placing a thumb on the IMEI number so you can see the last few digits. It's ending with 98091, right? So same as this one, 98091, right? But this is the phone that I actually got delivered, and surprisingly this is blue in color. Voila. So I'll show you the IMEI. Let me place my thumb on, as they say, you shouldn't share your IMEI. So see carefully, 98091, the last few digits of the IMEI number. So this is the quality control of MI. Xiaomi you can say, or you may say MI. The order was of Interstellar Black. The box, the packing says the phone is supposed to be Interstellar Black. See, it is Interstellar Black. But what was inside was this one. Yeah, blue phone. The which color is it? Aura blue or whatsoever it is. You can clearly say, you can clearly see it's not black at least. Yeah. See, you can see that. They delivered me a blue phone. They may be having very competitive prices, good specs, but the quality control, you can say, yeah, it's showing they're failing. There's no quality control. So doesn't matter which phone variant you buy, you may still end up with any variant they want you to have. And I'm still not sure whether it is the 6 GB RAM and 128 GB memory as it says on the order, but I'm just hoping it might be, because I have not turned on the phone yet. So that will be a surprise as well. So here are the facts. Hope you like it, and hopefully you might be getting the same phone you ordered, but be ready for surprises. Thank you.